The law of attraction is a belief that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. It suggests that focusing on positive thoughts and intentions can attract positive outcomes, including financial abundance. If you're interested in using the law of attraction to attract money, here are some steps you can take. Clarify your intentions. Clearly define your financial goals and intentions. Be specific about the amount of money you want to attract and why you want it. Having a clear vision can help direct your focus and energy. Positive affirmations. Use positive affirmations related to money and abundance. Repeat these affirmations daily, believing that they are already coming true. For example, you can say, "I am attracting money and abundance into my life effortlessly," or "money flows to me easily and abundantly." Visualization. Spend time visualizing yourself in a state of financial abundance. Imagine yourself achieving your financial goals, feeling the excitement and joy as if it has already happened. Visualization can help create a positive mental image that reinforces your intentions. Gratitude. Practice gratitude for the money you already have and the abundance in your life. Being grateful for what you have can shift your focus from lack to abundance, which can be beneficial in the law of attraction. Take inspired action. The law of attraction is not just about wishful thinking, it also involves taking inspired action towards your goals. Be open to opportunities and act on them when they arise. Proactively seeking ways to improve your financial situation can align you with the energy of abundance. Release limiting beliefs. Identify and release any limiting beliefs you may have about money or abundance. Negative beliefs can block the flow of positive energy and opportunities. Replace them with positive and empowering beliefs. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who support your goals. Negative influences can hinder your progress and diminish your positive energy. Remember that what you resist, persists. So think what you want, expect what you want. You can live your dream life by following these steps consistently.